When we think of crypto, we normally see them as investments that we buy when the price is low and sell when the price is high. However, we don't normally see them as a way to earn passive income. However, with EVERGROW, everything has changed. It's one of the hottest new coins on the market right now, and it's one of your best paths to wealth and passive income. Let's begin. The crypto market. To say that 2021 has been a hectic year for cryptocurrency would be an understatement. At the start of the year, we saw crypto prices reach levels that no one would have ever thought of before. The total market cap of all major cryptocurrencies was worth several $1 trillion. Cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum reached an all-time high price of $63,000 and $41,000 respectively. However, everything changed in the middle of the year when Elon Musk announced that Tesla would no longer be accepting Bitcoin as a currency to buy Tesla vehicles due to their environmental record. It set off a chain reaction that saw most cryptos halve their values overall. For a lot of people, cryptocurrency was pretty much done for good. But the naysayers were proven wrong earlier this month when both Bitcoin and Ethereum, along with most of the other major cryptocurrencies, once again almost reached their peaks, successfully recovering from a major setback. While there may have been a dip in price since the initial recovery, many people are still wondering whether it's a good time to invest in crypto, or if that's as high as it goes. It can be almost impossible to predict, but if we follow the precedent, there's still much more room to grow. How to earn passive income with crypto. Now, while the crypto market may have had a very successful recovery, many people are still trying to look for ways to get more out of them. One of the leading options has been to somehow earn passive income from crypto. This is income you'd earn without doing much from your home. If we take a look at the closest competitor to the crypto market, the stock market, their way of passive income is simple: dividends. However, very few cryptocurrencies actually pay dividends, and the ones that do aren't exactly doing well. Still, there are more than a few ways to earn a passive income from cryptocurrency. One of these is to deposit your crypto assets into an interest-earning account. There are quite a few platforms that offer these services, such as Hodlonaut, which can earn you up to 12.73% interest daily. Another way you can earn passive income through crypto is by cloud mining. You do need a certain level of skill and understanding of cryptocurrency to do so, though. Cloud mining is basically the same thing as crypto mining, but you're using someone else's hardware to do so remotely. You'll be investing in a cloud mining firm, which will then pay you a share of the crypto profits earned from the mining. You could also try your luck in investing into a dividend-paying cryptocurrency. Like we've already mentioned, there aren't many of those, and you can only invest in those through an exchange. The upside is that the returns are generally stable, and it's super easy to get the hang of. But there has been one more cryptocurrency that people have been using to earn passive income: EVERGROW. EVERGROW. If you haven't been keeping up with cryptocurrency news for the past month, you've probably never even heard of EVERGROW, but some have been touting it as the new SafeMoon. So, what is EVERGROW? It's a newly launched cryptocurrency that managed to exceed almost all expectations for its performance. It's a deflationary token, which means that it launched with a set number of tokens, and the total number of tokens in circulation will slowly decrease over time, giving it more scarcity and a higher value. As long as the demand keeps up, the tokens that would be spent on transaction fees or any other process would simply be burned. Within just 2 weeks of its launch, EVERGROW managed to cross over 20,000 unique holders. Its market cap reached over $200 million in the same time frame. Just for a comparison, the market cap it started with was only $125,000. EVERGROW also offers decentralized finance solutions, making it one of the few recent cryptocurrencies to do so. Since the crypto was launched a few weeks ago, it already paid the equivalent of $3 million in rewards. It does something truly unique when it comes to decentralized finance. Rewards in EVERGROW are pegged to the US dollar instead of the cryptocurrency itself, which means you can avoid the crypto tax by not selling the native crypto. And you don't have to worry about doing all the mental math. EVERGROW also plans on launching its own dedicated NFT marketplace. The NFT market is now worth several $billions, and it's only going to get bigger. It aims to be the biggest NFT marketplace in the world. It's a field with very little competition and a lot of room for growth. If EVERGROW actually manages to pull it off, it could do wonders for the viability of this cryptocurrency. EVERGROW is already breaking all kinds of different records, but for some people, it's only the beginning. Is EVERGROW a good investment? We know what you're thinking. Isn't the honeymoon period for EVERGROW over? Isn't it just going to fall now that it has had its rise? It's actually not that straightforward. EVERGROW is still an incredible investment opportunity for everyone. The first great thing about it is that it's pretty much set for the future. Whether it's its deflationary policies or its plans for future growth with NFT marketplace and everything, the creators of this coin have made it clear that it's not simply a quick buck they wanted to make, but rather an entire, sophisticated cryptocurrency that they want to rival the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum with. It's almost future-proofed. One of the most slept-on features of the EVERGROW coin is the way you can actually earn a reliable amount of passive income with it. Passive income is when you're earning money from a venture you're not even directly involved in. So, how can you do so with EVERGROW? According to one market analyst, if you bought around 100 EVERGROW coins, which cost around $35,000, and the daily volume of EVERGROW stayed at around 5%, which is likely, then you would be earning around $455 in passive income every single day. That's over $140,000 a year. There's pretty much no other cryptocurrency on the market that gives you this kind of passive income opportunity. EVERGROW started out with over 777 trillion tokens and an extremely low market cap. As we've mentioned, the number of tokens in circulation is going to decrease by a lot over the coming months and years. When EVERGROW initially went on sale, all 777 trillion tokens were sold out within 6 minutes on a market cap of just $125,000. At launch, about half of the total tokens were burned, and since then, another 1% have been burned as well. Because of that, the rewards that it offers are worth about twice as much as its competition. Long story short, EVERGROW is not only a good token to invest in, but it might just be one of the best tokens you can invest in right now. Is EVERGROW here to stay? So it's clear that the short-term prospects of EVERGROW seem to be right. But is this new cryptocurrency really here to stay? The truth is, it's pretty much impossible to tell. No one would have been able to predict how Bitcoin would end up changing an entire financial system and spawn multiple clones back in 2009. But it ended up doing just that. While EVERGROW isn't nearly as revolutionary as Bitcoin, it brings a certain level of sophistication and long-term planning that we don't often see in the crypto market, especially with all the meme cryptos that kept getting more and more popular. While we can't be certain that EVERGROW has a bright future, all signs do point in the right direction. Final words. Overall, EVERGROW is an excellent investment as a cryptocurrency for both its value and its potential for passive income. The coin is only a few weeks old, yet it has already managed to make a permanent spot for itself in the market. And we can already tell that none of its investors are complaining yet. There's still time for you to buy EVERGROW before it becomes more popular, and we recommend that you do just that. And that's a wrap for EVERGROW Coin. Do you think EVERGROW is a good investment opportunity for passive income? Let us know in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.